Okay, this week we are going to take the graphic organizers from last week and we are going to create 3 middle paragraphs. The graphic organizers I'm talking about are the ones where you first read your 4 articles on if the 5-second rule is a good idea or not, and then you decided on if it is, and you had your reasons. So this one, the one I'm talking about, is this right here. So you need to have this done before you move on to this week's assignment. We're simply going to take what you have written in your graphic organizer and we're going to turn it into a paragraph. So this reason becomes the first sentence. Your first name of article and quote becomes your yellow, and then when you explain that, that becomes your red. Then you go down to your second quote and name of article are your second yellow, and then the red explains that in your own words, and then you just need to restate the reason there. So each one of those is a paragraph. So you're going to do that for 3 paragraphs. To help you, just like you have, there's paragraph frames to help you state and word and organize what you want to say. So here's where you'd put your green, here's where you put your yellow, and here's where your reds, here's your second yellow, and here's your reds, and then your ending green for each of your 3 reasons. Now you might need to make the words, change the words around a little bit to make sure they make sense and are saying what you want to say. So this is just a frame. It's just an example. You can change it around. Don't leave it exactly as it is if it doesn't make sense. You're going to do that for reason number 1, reason number 2, and reason number 3. Okay, and again, I said you can switch around your transitions and words that incorporate your quotes and words to use with the red, so you're not repeating the same words, and it flows smoothly and it makes sense. You want to make sure to revise using this checklist. We're only doing the 3 paragraphs. Okay, the checklist is color-coded, so you know what kind of goes with what. And then your essay will be, this is where you're going to write your essay on the bottom. So when you're writing your essay, you want to make sure that all the font is uniform. You don't want to have some font be a different color, or you don't want fonts to be different sizes or different styles. I know that you're copying and pasting your evidence or your quote, and that's okay to do that, but you want to make sure that when it is in your essay that everything is the exact same font.